Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can set up a marketing email for your Wix.com store. So start by going to the dashboard of your website and then go over on the left hand side here where it says automations. This is not available to everybody yet, but if you do have it then you can continue with this tutorial. From here go up on the big blue button that says new automation and then we can set up a trigger and an action. So let's say that someone's put something in their cart and left their website. Wix will automatically detect this. So we could, for example, send out an email for this to remind them that they had that they left your website with stuff in their cart. So to set up this, simply click on the blue button here that says set up here, and then we get taken to the page like so. And you don't need to touch this up here, but you can check on the delay here, so you can choose how long after they've left your website with stuff in their cart until you send out the email. For example, if you want to send a reminder even 5 minutes or just 1 minute after, you can click here and change it. So you can change it to minutes here, days, weeks, months. It's really up to you to play around with this. Once you're happy with it, you can go next to this step where you send an email. From here, you need to put the sender's name, which is ideally the website name, and a marketing email or no reply email. And then further down here, you have the option to design the email. So it's a bit like designing the website itself, but it's basically just email here. If you want to get creative with it, you can click edit and then you can play around with it, change the text and everything. But this is a pretty standard setup that works for most people. And now we can go down to set email type here. In this case, this is promotional. So we just leave it at this, and then you can also go down to set recipients, and you can also just keep this ticked. Everything looks fine here, and click apply. And once you're happy and all ticks here are green, we can go ahead and activate it up here in the top right corner here. And then it should be an active function on your website from here. So every time they abandon their cart on your website, they're going to get an email reminder 2 hours later, in this case, that they left something in the shopping cart. And that's an effective way to get people to fulfill their purchase on your website and increase your sales. I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions and I'll try my best to help you.